Good evening, viewers. You are tuning in with us on Dudarshan Kendra Shillong, and we welcome you to today's news edition. Before heading to the news in detail, here's a quick look at the top stories of the day. Prime Minister Narendra Modi congratulates Donald Trump on spectacular US presidential election victory. 200 workers from NPP, BJP, UDP join Congress in West Shillong. And 4800 Drums Wangala Festival kicks off in West Garo Hills. Now the news in detail. Prime Minister Narendra Modi congratulated Donald Trump on his spectacular victory in the US presidential election. In a social media post, Modi said he is looking forward to working closely together once again to further strengthen India-US relations across technology, defense, energy, space and several other sectors. The Congress party today got a major shot in their arm after 200 party workers comprising of the NPP, BJP and UDP from West Shillong constituency joined the state Congress. MPCC Chief Vincent H. Pala said that this is just the beginning as there are many more party workers from different political parties who will be joining the state Congress. He said the next to join will be TMC leaders from Nongthamai constituency post Gambegre polls.
As of today, I see that I'm quite confident. I'm very happy to see that in the Congress there are new faces, like I said, new energy and lots of new innovations also. Like they will launch our own website. People can join online. They don't have to, suppose like in the block where people they don't allow them to join like before. Now they can join from anywhere in the world, from any part of Meghalaya, any part of India. So we have done lots of innovations also in the party. Not only that, social media we are organizing. We are again recruiting lots of new teams for our social media. We are weak in social media. This time we'll organize well. Hopefully within a week we'll be able to organize our team properly. Thank you.
So you mentioned
The 4800 Drums Wangala Festival, a vibrant celebration of Garo culture and heritage, commenced with a grand display at Wangala Adam Heritage Village in Chibagre near Tura, West Garo Hills. The three-day event, held from 7th to 9th November, began with 100 traditional drums reverberating through the air, accompanied by colorful cultural performances. Chief guest Jagdish Chelani, IAS, Deputy Commissioner of West Garo Hills, inaugurated the festival. This year, 10 contingents from across Garo Hills competed in traditional drumming and dance performances.
Ladies and gentlemen,
as we celebrate, let us embrace the true spirit of Wangala, which shows us how culture and progress walk together. In the Garo way of life, we find a deep respect for nature, a loyalty to community, and a resilience that has sustained this land through countless challenges. Our Iyabun, Rangon, Anching Rai, Remek Khanda, Jedakode, Anchingni, Dak Rang, Bai Gepa, Veval Rang, Pagacham, Magachawni, Lasonko, Dedauni, Omchina.
Tensions continue to rise at NIU as students have launched an indefinite hunger strike outside the Vice Chancellor's office, demanding the removal of Vice Chancellor Professor Prabha Shankar Shukla. The students had stated that their hunger strike will persist until the Vice Chancellor, Registrar and Deputy Registrar step down. This latest student-led protest follows an indefinite strike by the NIU Non-Teaching Staff Association, which cited delays in recruitment for advertised positions as the reason for their agitation. The NIU Teachers Association, NIHUTA, has expressed solidarity with the students' demands.
We have discussed yesterday with the Vice Chancellor, and we have, prior to our discussion yesterday, we have put forward multiple memorandums actually, and we have put a deadline on Monday, the 4th of November. But on meeting him yesterday, he was not willing to fulfill our demands as per the memorandum, and one of the demands in that memorandum is the removal or the termination of the registrar and the deputy registrar. And since he was not capable of agreeing to our demands, then we have decided that we will make another demand that the Vice Chancellor has to step down, because he is not willing to agree to what we are, or even listen to what we are demanding.
NIU Vice Chancellor Professor Prabha Shankar Shukla on Wednesday reaffirmed that he will not be stepping down from his role, as his appointment was made by the President of India, who holds the authority to make any decisions regarding his tenure. In response to demands for the removal of several key officials, Shukla clarified that such removal cannot occur through arbitrary decisions. These officials were appointed through a formal, rigorous selection process governed by standard procedures, not personal discretion. Shukla expressed his willingness to initiate a dialogue with student representatives to address their concerns.
My request to the student union, non-teaching union, and also if the teaching unions are involved. Because directly I am not even getting anything, the teaching union is not. Kindly call off the agitation in the interest of the NIU students. What will be the consequences if it is going for a long time? Definitely the examination will be affected. So who will be the sufferer? So come on the table, ready to discuss the matter, to find out the amicable solution under the system, rules and norms.
The Central Bureau of Communication Press Information Bureau, in collaboration with the Shillong Municipal Board, today organized a cleaning drive at Police Bazaar. The cleaning drive was attended by college students, BSF and CRPF personnel and local shopkeepers. Speaking on the occasion, Cabinet Minister A.L. Heck took pride in informing that cleanliness is traditional in each and every household in Meghalaya, asking people to take responsibility for keeping their surroundings clean.
In our own ancestral property, the central house, we have all the houses in Shillong, they organized before we having the garbage truck distributing to the different localities. We used to have our own dumping place. Every house they keep clean, all the household waste, they are only dumped in one place, somewhere corner in the near of our own compound. After that, they burn all the waste for the gardening. So therefore, this is already there in our mind and our soul. This is our parampara and our tradition to keep always clean.
The Hinyautrap Youth Council HYC held a public meeting today at Motprant to raise awareness about the dangers of drug abuse. Hundreds of people gathered at the location to voice their concerns over the increasing involvement of youth in drugs. During the event, HYC President Roy Kupar Sinrem strongly criticized the government for failing to take effective action against the rising consumption of drugs. He pointed out that while the government has launched the DREAM project to combat, there has been little progress in addressing the issue.
Kasorkar kadang pisah ban air the cherry blossom san krot tingkah sisnem ban wanyalam ya kinong put kinong tem kamdon pisah ban siu ya katulok jong kinong hikai ke jongi kamdon pisah ban siu ya ka scholarship jong ki kun samla ke jongi ki bakun kita kinoy lam gino kapol kala dei Bakazat nuriyo, kapan perkat nang nisak. Dia luar katakan orang yang bakaseng, kapan siam yang kani kacing kekli, ban mi syamanan. Jen lada apa ki buar bulat, jen lada apa kita ki priyo ki bapak ya kaan, ki pentre kam hok, ya la kajong ka kamram, kam dadon kam in HYC, ban mi. Apa sol Shillong, ban mi aki wei pak ki jaka, ban ya lai kam ya ki nong di drugs.
The CEM of the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council, Pinyaj Singh's Aim, yesterday inaugurated the Dwar Jinkhya, a traditional Khasi spa at Latmausiang village. The spa aims to promote traditional healing practices and provide a platform for the transfer of this knowledge to younger generations, ensuring its preservation while also creating income opportunities. In his address, Pinyaj Singh's Aim emphasized the significance of the spa in preserving and passing down traditional practices. The spa will be managed by Grassroots Shillong, an organization dedicated to promoting indigenous practices and local businesses.
Ketika Dwar Jinkhya, ketika Khasi traditional spa, bahkan yak baik yak lenti, bahkan biang kenbit, nalor of hipenet tensa, yak kini belahikai menbarim, bak ngenget scam bahkan nongru, kayok kakot, bahkan tiaw, yak kayok kam yok jam hapok shnong, bahkan long ke jingkur khu yak shnong di perok kawai.
Senior BJP leader and Cabinet Minister A.L. Hek yesterday stated that the BJP has only exhibited its pro-people policy and respect for the tribal sentiments by deciding to exempt tribals from the Uniform Civil Code. Hek said that this is a game changer for the party as it will open the minds of the people to think about the future of the BJP in tribal states.
So we will not have more MLAs, but in future I am telling you, we will get more MLAs.
Why?
Because of the development. And also the UCC now, they are outside the ambits of the tribal states. So BJP are listening now to the problem of the states. They are listening to the problem of the tribals. So that's why they have not introduced the UCC in a tribal state like Meghalaya.
The Khasi Students Union KSU Lingam unit will host the NIU Fight Night Season 2 on November 9th at the St. Anthony's School basketball court starting at 3 p.m. Addressing the media at Shillong Press Club, KSU Lingam Unit President Sambor Mi Lingdo explained that the event aims to motivate local youth to showcase their talents while encouraging them to avoid harmful behaviors. Lingdo also shared that the competition will feature 30 male and female participants from various gyms.
An event entitled NIU Fight Night Season 2, where you'll be able to witness young aspiring fighters who have trained throughout the entire lives to witness that they'll be competing among themselves, wherein as to encourage the local Khasi communities, both boys and girls, to be in that particular event. So in this event, there will be almost 30 participants, inclusive all over Meghalaya, where you will be able to see some of the best, in fact, in this business. They'll be competing in the competition.
Lingam Presbyterian College, Mau Thengkut, celebrated its third graduation day yesterday with a ceremony honoring 57 students from the 2020-21 batch. While addressing the event as chief guest, Methodius Dakhar, MLA of Maushinrut, emphasized that success is not solely defined by financial prosperity or high-ranking positions. Rather, it lies in achieving excellence in any chosen field, whether it be agriculture, entrepreneurship, or any other suitable career endeavor. Srimad Shyamananda Brahmacharji, the revered fifth guru of Borona Kaliam, passes away yesterday at age 87. Under his leadership, Borona Kaliam, located at the border of South Salmara district, Mankachar, southwest Garo Hills, rose to prominence as a center of spiritual enlightenment and is now recognized as the 7th Kali ashram in India. His passing has left a deep sense of loss among thousands of followers who admired his teachings and guidance. And now the weather report. Minimum temperature recorded today was 11.9 degrees Celsius, while maximum temperature was recorded at 21.6 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity in the morning was 50%, which went up to 65% in the evening. Forecast: light rain with possibility of shallow to moderate fog is likely to occur at isolated places. Before ending this news bulletin, here's a short recap. Prime Minister Narendra Modi congratulates Donald Trump on spectacular US presidential election victory. 200 workers from NPP, BJP, UDP join Congress in West Geelong. And 4800 Drums Wangala Festival kicks off in West Garo Hills. And dear viewers, we have come to the end of this news bulletin. Until we meet again tomorrow, thanks for watching. Good night.